Hey guys, this is Ben Arkell with PassiveAutomation.com. Coming to you, wanted to share a video about things I wish I had known before I started affiliate marketing. Okay, first off, just want to welcome you to my channel. On this channel, we talk about all things passive income and affiliate marketing and setting up your online business. So in the future, with limited effort, you can have a passive income that keeps coming in. I'm shooting outside because it's a beautiful day. So I have some notes here I'll be looking down occasionally, but I had to take advantage of the beautiful weather. Before I begin as well, if you would subscribe and hit the bell notification so you are aware of when I am releasing videos. My goal is to do 3 to 4 a week, so make sure you click that bell notification and be an active participant in the channel. That'll help a lot. Also, my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online, there's a link down below. You can click on that and you'll get some more information. So #1, I wanted to talk about some tips that I wish I knew before I started affiliate marketing. One, there's nothing quick or easy about it at all. You often see get rich quick. This is an easy way to create a business online. Setting up a passive income system through affiliate marketing is not easy and it is not quick. It's definitely simple to understand, but the process to get everything rolling, to find products that you believe in and trust, to set up your email automations, to get all of your content out there, to have a regular schedule of when you're producing content, that takes time. Finding a mentor, getting coaching, all that stuff, it takes time. It takes an investment of time and a little bit of money, more time than money. So know that going in. If you're an affiliate marketing beginner, just know Spencer Meekum, one of the most successful affiliates out there, he said you're gonna have to do your year's worth of time to learn, okay? And a lot of times people will spend a year or two and then not earn a ton of money, and then within 5 months forward they'll earn like 3 or 4 times what they did earn in the first 2 years. So keep that in mind as you're going through, that it's going to take a lot of effort. Okay. 2, with that in mind, have a vision of the future. Know that if I put my time in, if I work hard, if I learn from mentors, if I follow sound principles, positive things will happen, incredible things will happen. A lot of us are willing to go to school for 15 years, then go for 4 years to get our college degree, and then some of us, I went 2 more years and got my master's in business administration. We're willing to do that, and yet to put 1 or 2 years into an affiliate marketing business to grow your passive income, a lot of people aren't willing to do that. They'll try it out for a few months and then realize it's not working and quit. You can't do that, okay? So be in it for the long haul, and if you do, then you'll see results. So #3, a tip, something I wish I had known from the beginning. It's a principle that Dave Ramsey talks about a lot. If you don't know who Dave Ramsey is, he's big on finances and being good with your finances. And he always says, never invest in something you don't understand. And so there'll be a lot of people telling you what to do with your money, telling you how to expedite your results, run Facebook ads here, do Google ads here, do this and do that. If you don't understand something, don't put your money behind it. So if you want to put your money behind something, make sure that you learn it and understand it before you do. Because if you don't, you're just going to be wasting your money. I've done that before. I've wasted money on things that I did not understand. Bitcoin being one of them. But as far as the marketing world goes, just make sure that if you want to do Facebook ads, take a Facebook ads course or talk to somebody who's very familiar with Facebook ads. Maybe have someone run Facebook ads for you and have them teach you. I think that's just super important, that you never spend your money on something you do not understand yourself. Now, the 4th tip, what I would say is don't reinvent the wheel, okay? The wonderful thing about affiliate marketing is a proven system. People have had lots of success. Seek out those people And then consider investing in blueprints that they provide to have that success, whether it be a course or, you know, Spencer Meekum has a course, Affiliate Secrets 2.0, kind of walks through everything he did. In the link below my top recommendation, and there's actually a course you can purchase which helps you understand all the steps you need to take. It walks you through video by video, step by step, how to actually create an online business, how to find a product, how to drive traffic, how to set up email automations, how to create funnels, how to have a value ladder, how to integrate funnels and Facebook pixels and all that good stuff, step by step, okay? If you know that stuff on your own, great. If you don't spend months and months and years learning. Invest in a blueprint that someone can provide you that will save you a lot of time, and they've done a lot of the legwork. They've learned a lot of lessons. Again, I really believe in not reinventing the wheel. Take advantage of people who've been there before. They talk about how the leader on top has a lot of arrows in his back, meaning he's taken a lot of the hits for you. So learn from those with experience. So number 5, what I would talk about is focusing on one platform. And the reason you want to do that is you will have success as you publish consistently. And if you're spreading yourself thin, if you want to do a YouTube channel, if you want to do a blog, if you want to do a podcast, if you want to do this and you want to do that and you want to focus on Instagram, you're going to have a really hard time helping one of those things grow exponentially. One of my personal mentors, Nathan Lucas, said it really well. He said in order for him to actually have results, he had a goal to do like 2 videos on YouTube a week, but he realized he needed to take massive action. He actually needed to double what his goal was. So if you want to have success, you can't be doing 1 YouTube video a week and then 1 blog post and 1 podcast unless you're seeing results. If you're somehow seeing results, great. If not, pick one of those platforms, and if you have a goal to write 2 blogs a week, write 3 or write 4. If you have a goal to produce 3 YouTube videos a week, do 6. Just double your goal and just crush it. And that's how you're going to gain momentum, is if you keep the pedal to the metal and keep rolling and trucking along. Now for me, once you've come to a point where you can do that, so for example, you have a YouTube channel, all right, and you want to do 4 videos a week, and you can do that. If you want to move on to another platform that you feel like you can make things work, do it. What I do is I actually started a podcast because for me it was a super simple, easy thing to do. What I do is I'm still at my 9 to 5 for a little bit, and during lunch I'll take a walk and I'll just record my podcast as I'm walking, because it takes me 5 minutes and then it takes me 3 minutes to publish it, and that's just another way I can produce content, and I have the available time, and it doesn't interfere with me reaching my other goals and focusing on my other strategies. As you consistently publish with one platform, the platform notices. As an example, my daughter, she has a YouTube channel, and she posted every day for like a month. And then one of her videos, she did a cover of Believer, and it hit 5 million views, and that kind of just exponentially kind of rocketed her YouTube channel up from 10,000 subscribers to like 60. Because as you're producing so much content, one of these pieces of content is going to have a huge effect and is going to help you skyrocket. Another thing that I've talked about before in a blog post, this is probably idea number 6, is you have to consume less than you create. You have to create more than you consume. A lot of times you'll be sitting down on your computer, on your phone, watching a video from someone thinking, man, how are they having so much success? And it's like, because just do what they're doing, okay? They're not sitting on their computer watching a video of you, so you can't be watching a video of them. You need to be producing content And a lot of people have a concern with like, well, I'm not an expert yet, and I don't know this, and I don't know that. I don't know as much as that person. Well, guess what? Not everybody knows everything, okay? There's a lot of people that know a lot more than other people as well. But to a second grader, a fifth grader is like a god, okay? So keep that in mind. So maybe someone who has a college level expertise in affiliate marketing, maybe you're not going to be their go-to person. They're not your audience. But to someone who's just starting out, you can be the mentor, the coach, someone they look up to for answers. Okay, so keep that in mind. Don't ever let your lack of knowledge prevent you from publishing content, and always create more than you consume. The first thing you do when you wake up in the morning, do not grab your phone and start scrolling. You wake up and you start producing content, and you start creating. Okay guys, those are some of my tips. You can follow passiveautomation.com. I actually have another blog that talks a lot about this, about tips, things I wish I'd known with affiliate marketing. Again, I'd point you to my #1 recommendation for starting a business online. Top link in the video below. But let me know, what are some of your thoughts? What do you consider to be some of the lessons that you have learned that you wish you knew in the beginning that would have saved you a lot of time? I've been at this affiliate marketing game for a couple years, really heavily for the last year. And these themes and these things I've learned, I keep learning over and over in different ways, but they're super helpful to keep you on track and keep you successful. So again, I really appreciate it, guys, if you would subscribe to this channel. I'll be pushing out more and more content. And please leave a comment. And again, let me know what your recommendation would be for something you wish you had known in the beginning before you started this affiliate marketing and passive income journey. Until next video, we'll talk to you soon.